Got 2 chicken dinners tonight. Let's make it 3.
This is like my second game of the day, so wait, third game actually. Yeah, no wins from those other two games, unfortunately. A couple of kills, but not exactly warmed up yet. Who knows, maybe this is the game. Nobody?
Not here. There's one guy going to the
Right. Yeah, we can probably rush
cow.
that squad. Wait, that's not our guy going there, is it?
No.
No, number 2 landed there. That was our guy. Shit, yeah, fucking ump. Yeah, that's what I expected. Oh, well, no, maybe you can. I believe in you.
Oh
Ah.
my god.
Ah, fuck.
Oh shit.
It's a big town. You had to face him one-on-one immediately? Damn. Just bide your time.
I wanna
Play
s-
the
I wanna
numbers
s-
game.
I want to say I had faith in him, but I had no faith.
Then doesn't say anything.
You guys wanna you guys wanna camp it out?
For one dude? Not really.
What do you mean our guy? No, I don't care about him. Just talking about killing them while they loot that stuff for us. When they we can
There's
either
only
we can.
one person that landed there,
It's only
so
one person here.
Oh, I thought I saw like a squad.
No, it was only one guy.
My bad, my fault. Level 2 helmet would be nice. Did you check those crates over there?
Some of them.
That I'm going to?
No, not those ones.
Yeah, you did. Yeah. Well, somebody looted this M4. You guys want to go to this village? Oh, he's already gone. That's where I'm going. I need SMG attachments so somebody can just keep an eye out for it.
SMG, what do you have? UMP? Yeah.
It's probably my favorite gun in the game. Not a lot of people like it. I don't know why I do.
I used
So
to, but
it's
I switched to ARs.
it's such a user-friendly gun though when you suck ass at this game.
Extended quick draw, is that helpful?
I already have one. I'm sorry. I just need a right grip and a compensator.
Vertical grip?
Yes, please.
Okay.
You have it?
Yep.
Sweet.
I hold it for you, but I'm far away at the moment.
I really want to kill that guy.
Yeah, just wait for him.
I don't want to play the waiting game. That takes too long. Maybe this is why I suck at this game.
you want to rush him? Let's grab the car, rush him.
We could.
We know where he's at.
I'd like to find out where he is exactly before we go into there. I just don't want. I don't want to like blind it, you know.
You see him?
Nope, he sees me, but I don't see him.
Okay.
I'm not even that close. I'm backing down. He can't see me now. That would have ended badly if I just stayed. Yeah, I couldn't even see his fucking face.
Only have a 2x scope. So not much I can see here. I need a red dot or holographic.
I need some zoom.
I only have it 2x. So.
Oh, you already looted this place, shit. So you might need a cheek pad?
Nope. Who needed the vertical foregrip?
Number 3,
Okay.
please. And thank you. Then I just need a compensator. Do you need a level 2 vest?
Yeah, I can take one, yeah.
Alright, it's a armor marker. It's a little bit off, but you can get the gist of it. Number 4 is gonna scope him out. Be careful. Wait, that's so weird. On anybody else's screen, is number 3 last?
Yeah.
Like on like
It's 1, 2,
yeah.
4, 3. Crazy.
yeah, that's weird.
We had someone disconnect right before you joined the team, so that's why that gets dropped.
Yeah.
No, that makes sense. Do you see him? I'm guessing that's a no.
No.
You have called it out. Yeah, the motherfucker shot me. He's in the. I think he's in like a 2nd story building. In the town still.
Okay, it's the move now.
Hollow on me.
Yeah, can you pick it up, please?
Yeah, I did. Sorry. Yeah, I don't want to separate too much from you guys. I think I'm a little close to him. Anybody need bullet loops?
No, I don't have a car or anything.
I have a 2x and a hollow. Do you want both?
No, just the hollow, please. Thank you.
Well, I don't need a 2x, so I'm leaving it there.
Yeah, I'm dropping it too. I had an extra one. What is that?
Basically on top of me.
No, shoot. Probably should call that out.
He died.
Insta
I
die?
mean-
Only one guy?
No,
No, there's more.
I
Watch
downed
out.
him.
Oh, okay.
Just ran up on me.
Let's flank this left side.
I don't know if that was our straggler. Did you see what he was wearing?
Oh, the guy that shot me?
Yeah.
No, I couldn't even see him. He could see me.
Shit. Okay.
He instant 2 shots on me, so I just backed down, you know. Hold on, behind these rocks, I hear somebody. I lied. It might have been a straggler. Did he have a
Yeah.
compensator for SMG by chance?
Nope.
Extended quick draw, suppressor.
I'll take a suppressor, I
Yeah.
guess.
Yeah, 3 times. Go. Car.
Guys, car,
Oh,
that's the guy.
Probably the guy, yeah.
There's this whole squad. I knocked one. They gotta come back for him. Calm down, dude. I'm not even shooting at you. Down. He's reviving the other dude. Watch out. It's not over yet. Watch out. Is he not dead yet? There
All
we
dead,
go.
all dead.
You
That's
sure?
a wipe.
Now they
Yes.
I shot that dude twice in the head and he didn't die. This AKM sucks. I'll just go to first aid. Suppose for an AR if somebody wants. Actually, I'll take it for my. No.
Sit out. Cheap out. Oh shit.
Do we have to go soon? No, we don't. We're fine. No, we're fine. We're fine.
It just updated.
Yeah. 4 bandages, dude. You think you got it? Do you have a sniper rifle? Do you need my 4 times?
Yeah, I can use it 4 times.
Alright, here you go. You said you needed one or you have one?
No, I need one. I had one. But
It's
I
on my body.
think I dropped it.
That's far, like 400 yards.
Ah man, I got a AKM as my sniper rifle right now.
Ah, here it is.
I had a really nice 9k win earlier. Only had an AK.
Yeah, I love the AK, dude.
Just gotta make that first shot count, and then you can rock the recoil.
Aim at the little chest, and then boom, instant. Cause you know you get the recoil that goes
Just
way up
throw
there
them
like a
head.
skyrocket.
Oh, I always tap my first shot and then go into spray. That seems to work for me.
That seems
CS:GO strats.
Yeah, everybody's got a different strat. It's whatever you're good with, dude. I hate people that judge. If you're good with it, then do you.
Whatever works, stick with it.
I'm glad we killed the fuckers. Pissed me off. Ah shit, let's wrap this game up. I gotta piss.
You guys have any extra first aid kit?
Yeah, I can drop you like 3.
Oh
Good.
damn. We got
And
2.
green.
I'm behind you. Thank you.
Oh, I didn't even know you guys one left of me. I got what's up.
This is loaded already. So careful.
Yeah. I'm sure they went southwest to look for the shooters.
Yeah.
You think they left a little too fast here?
No, that's a long haul. Fuck that.
Nice. I love this game.
Fun one.
I still gotta piss.
Oh shit. Is that at you guys? No.
No.
No,
Keep going there.
I want to fight them, but yeah, we
I
can't
don't
afford
want
to
to.
stop.
No, we have a long way to go still.
I still need a compensator for this.
This is an SMG. How much recoil are you trying to control?
I plan to have none. I plan to just fire and be in the same spot where I started. I'm just used to compensators. Spells are kind of useless in squads. Unless you're solo. They should be coming out from right any second.
Yeah, from northwest. We should just control this angle. We'll follow the circle in.
I say we cross the road now while we have the chance.
Yeah.
Everybody seems distracted.
Okay.
Oh, I
Seems,
see people
don't.
on the left. 125. They're coming up the mountain. I don't think he saw me.
Yeah, I see it.
There's only one guy.
Knocked one.
Nice.
He saw me though, so his teammates know.
Okay.
Yep, I'm taking shots.
Can you make it across?
Yeah, I guess so. They're in town somewhere. Oh, this circle. Okay.
You guys want to push him and get this over with? You have to take him sooner or later.
Yeah. Is that you?
Shot from west, silence, M24. No, it's behind me.
But it was at you?
At us?
No, not at me, but we have to deal with them walking up behind us.
Yeah.
I just don't want to see the townspeople.
Yeah, we can push that side if you want to go northeast.
They have to come to us eventually.
Yeah.
You said you knocked one, so that might have been distracting him.
Did you get the kill? No. They rest him?
No, I just got the knock, so
So yeah,
they've...
they rest him.
Yeah, they're close then. Oh, he's ripped. There we go.
Instant.
That's the insta. Yep,
Hurry up, hurry up.
plenty of time. Thanks. Good kill.
Of course.
So it should be mostly west, southwest.
I need boosters. Sweet. That 4 times is nice. Still have an AKM as a sniper rifle. Ugh. I should be fine.
Hmm.
You think there's anybody that the way that we came?
Yeah.
That was close.
That's 230.
I see them.
Number?
220 behind that rock, that big one.
Yeah.
They're not aiming at us, but like they're aiming.
Yeah, he went down.
Got
Oh, nice.
Got the boat.
Yeah, the second guy.
Instant?
Well done. Yep. So
They're shooting at
northwest.
somebody. Watch out. Who are they shooting at?
No freaking idea.
They have to come to us. Alright, 280. Car.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shot.
shit.
That's ahead.
Yeah, my helmet's just. No, that was my vest. No, it was my helmet.
I'm saying you hit him in the head. I saw his helmet pop off.
Yeah, I know. That's the only thing I can hit.
What number is that?
270
290.
behind
He
tree.
went to the
Watch-
right. He went-
Watch out our other angles though.
Yeah.
I got no helmet. Shit.
Yeah, you can loot these guys. They want to.
Oh yeah. We kill people.
Oh, a couple teams. I really thought it was gonna be 3v3. Let's push him. Push him now.
Yeah, let's go. Nice.
There it
Nice.
is. Well done.
Nice winning kill.
GG guys.
Hey, this was gonna be my match.
Yeah, it was.
Was that the one? Yeah, you guys are the one that I said that to.